Welcome back, everybody, for part 4, Mercury boat motor repair, Tower of Power. Today, we are going to tackle the fuel pump. As you see, I've already started and got it, most of the work done here already, but I want to show you guys what I've done and what the insides of this look like, and probably what was the biggest issue going on with this motor to begin with. So first, I want to show you the old parts. This is the old diaphragm, and you see right here, there's a hole in the diaphragm. Ethanol fuel does this. Notice how hard it is. It's not flexible. This old rubber just really isn't any good. So I'm glad that we rebuilt this fuel pump. If you look over here, these are the check valves. When you order your kit, there we go, turn so you can see it. I got this off the internet, and it might be a little tricky to find, but just fuel pump rebuild kit, find the right model. But make sure you get the check valve kit. Another issue in this was this back check valve was not installed correctly and wasn't seated right, and I could tell that when I tried to take off the old gasket. The other side was probably okay. The gasket looked really good. Also comes in this kit is a new O-ring for the top of the fuel pump, and check out that old fuel filter. Man, a lot of junk in there, and I've already knocked most of it out. So back to the diaphragms. This is what the diaphragm set looks like. There will be 2 gaskets, and sandwiched in between the 2 gaskets is the rubber diaphragm. So they only go one way. Line the holes up, and they get mounted right between the top of the fuel pump and the base. There's really no need to pull the base unless the fuel lines on the bottom of the base are in bad shape. Mine look pretty good. This is the proper configuration of the check valves. Okay, notice the top of the fuel pump pointing up. This check valve, the nipple is faced in, and the bottom one, the nipple faces out toward us. I've already took carb cleaner, scraped all the old gaskets off, and already replaced the fuel filter, and replaced the O-rings. Had a little plastic O-ring on top of the screw here. I used all the parts in this rebuild kit, so that's always great when you figure out where everything goes. So now we'll walk over and see the base. Okay, here's the base of the fuel pump. All I have to do is clean this off real good. I'll get all the extra pieces of gasket off of here, and we'll reinstall this fuel pump. I think the major key to doing this is just take pictures as you go. Remember what order things go in, and really it's not as bad as a guy would think. So I'll reinstall this, and fuel pump will be complete. Thank you guys for watching part 4, and we'll catch you next time.